Hi, I'm Norman from Get Set Up. Have you ever thought about setting up an online store, but maybe you weren't sure how to do it or you just needed someone to help guide you through the process? If that's the case, then we have a class for you. It's called Setting Up an Online Store Quickly and Easily. And we'll show you some ways that you can get an online store online uh, and what some common platforms are that you can use. Note, we won't be recommending any specific products, but we'll show you some ways that you might want to consider doing it. We'll also talk about how you can upload pictures of your products and how you can do pricing. Uh, and then after you make the sale, what to do next. Obviously, this can be a big topic, but our intent here was just to give you a way to get started and to give you some confidence that you too can sell your whatever items you want to sell online using an online store. So please join us. I'm sure you will find the class useful. Thank you.